Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have a few things here to show you from Fansells. Thank you, Fansells, for letting me pick out a few things. And thank you for being here to watch this video. I forgot what one of these items was. I had to go look it up to remind myself. What in the world was that? All right, let's move this to the side and let's get started with it. So let's just start with that one. We'll start with that one right off because I opened up the package. I always have to open them up to figure out who these are from because they're not marked on the outside. And I saw some interesting things here. I'm still not certain how it actually works. So let's get into it and I'll show it to you. So here's our drills, first of all. And here are some paw prints that you will put your gems on. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. 6. There we go, 6. So there's all different color little paw prints. Put your gems on there. They're one-sided. And then it came with this bag of goodies here. And I was like, what in the world is this? This is what I didn't remember. Okay, let's see. What is this? This is, okay, those are sticky. Okay, these are sticky to help your things stick together. Then we have these pieces. What do these do? I don't even know how this is going to work. So we have this, which will attach to this, right? I know how that's going to work. And then that's double-sided, so that's going to attach to the back of here. Okay, we're with it so far, right? We got that. Then what? Then what? Then this attaches in here. Okay, like this. This goes in here. And this goes into a car vent. At first, I thought they were going to be like scented air freshener things, but they're not. They're just going to go into like your car vent like that as a decoration. Now, I don't know if there's a way to make it scented. There might be. I don't know, but can you put something in here? Can you put something in there? Can you, oh, maybe you can. Maybe you could get like some of those little sticks or something that you put in your car vent type thing. You might be able to. It doesn't come with that, but you might have to look at your auto parts store or Target or Walmart or someplace like that and see if you can get like little things to put in there for your scent. So when you put this in your, like your air conditioning and your heating vent, it would, come out. The scent would come out. Interesting. It was a very interesting concept. And you know me, I'm always looking for the things that are new and different and unique. So that one fits the bill. Fits the bill. Okay. I'm really going to have to look now when I go to Meijer. I got to go to Meijer later. I'm going to look and see if there's something that I think might fit in there. And then we just have our gems like blue, pink, gold, red, different colors. Okay. All right, next, what do we have next? Let's look at this guy next because it is so pretty. Super, super pretty. I love this owl. The pink and the purple, love it. Look, we got a moth. I'm going to call it a moth because this is nighttime. We got the owl, we got the moth, we got the moon. And it looks like a cherry tree. Cherry tree, apple tree, one of the two. 30 by 30, has 13 different drills. I think it is so pretty. I think it's gorgeous. Look at all these special drills. Lots of them on the blossoms, on our moth, even on the owl's feathers on his wings. Love it. All right. What do we get? Oh, missed a bag. There's a bag in there still. Okay. Wow, we got stuff going all over the place. All right. We got clear. We got a very pale blue, a very, very pale pink, a little deeper pink. That is purple. Love that. That's pretty. A pretty teal color, a little bit of brown. Here's some of our special drills. So we have some blue pearls and some white pearls. We have these cute little blue marquee. We have stars. I didn't notice stars. I gotta look at this closer. We have pink pearl. And we have these red ones. Where do the stars go? Where are the stars? I I didn't see stars. Oh, they're in the moon. There's a star. There's a star. They blended right in. They're in there though. Love it. That's super cute. That is so pretty. I love it. All right. Let's moving on. Moving on. What else do we have? Oh, this is adorable. Okay. It's adorable. Let's get it out and show you. All of these little projects will come with their own little toolkit. Oh, look, this one has special stuff in my toolkit. You know what those are? Those are for wind chimes. Yep. Clinky, clinky little wind chimes with string to hang them by. Okay, here's our drills. And here is our piece. I love it. Oh, it's pretty on the back too. I love it. It is a sunflower gnome. I mean, come on. A sunflower gnome. I love that one. Love it, love it, love it. So you'll attach your little wind chime clinger things. Clingy? You know, those pipe looking things. This is just not coming out right. They're going to hang off the little holes down here and dangle in the breeze, right? Isn't it adorable though? The back, look at, the back is printed. There's a film on here. Take it off. It's really shiny under there. Let's see if I can get it to come off for you real quick. Always kind of hard to, I got to just dig in there with my fingernails and get it started, and it will peel off. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, little film, come on. It's to protect them so they don't get scratched and stuff. But look how shiny it is when you peel that off, right? Super, super pretty. Love it. Okay, so peel off your film when you're done. Super cute. I loved him. Loved it. What are our gems? What are our special drills? Nothing like a gnome with sunflowers. You know, I love gnomes and I love sunflowers. Got the best of both right there. All right, here we go. We have some pale yellow, light pink, a darker yellow, a pretty blue, some clear, and some green. And then the rest of these are specials. Some champagne colored teardrops, some gold balls, which will be the centers of our sunflowers. And we have these cool guys, which are the crystal on the bottom and the gold on the top. You'll never see the crystal, but the gold on the top. There we have it. Okay. Super adorable. Super, super adorable. All right. And then we have a box. You know how I feel about boxes. Things that come in boxes are always fun. All right. Open sesame. What do we get? Oh. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. Okay, so it's a stand-up. Here is our little stand to stand them in. Again, film on both sides. Take it off before you set it up. Are you ready for this? I fell in love with this one. Fell in love. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Look, it is a gnome reading books. A gnome reading books. Isn't he cute? Look at the stacks of books here and stacks of books here, and he's got a book in his hand, and it's all purple. I mean, what's not to love about that? A gnome in the rocking chair, a purple gnome in his rocking chair, reading books. He's got a butterfly hanging out on his hat. I love this one so much. It's so cute. Love it. What is this right here? I don't know what that's supposed to be. A little friend of his. He's got a gnome hat on. What is that? I don't know. But it is so pretty. I fell in love with that one. Absolutely fell in love with that one. I'm going to have to do that one. He's going to have to sit someplace in my house. I don't know where, but someplace. I would say on my bookshelf, but whew, I'm running out of room for fun little decorative things on my bookshelf. It's getting full in there. All right, here we go. Ah, I could move downstairs to some of the bookshelves downstairs. That's a summer project. Summer project. I'm going to get downstairs straightened around. Gold rhinestones. Green. Clear. Pink. Kind of like a brown, light tan. purple. But he's a purple gnome. I only have this little bit of purple. But we have these beautiful purple marquee. And we have pink. We have some clear teardrops. And we have some clear marquee. They're AB. They're pretty. Yeah, I mean, his background's all painted purple. That's where he's getting the purple from. So, isn't it adorable? Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Okay, so we have that. We have our gnome. And we have the pretty owl. Pretty, pretty owl. Love the owl, right? We have the cute little gnome, little sunflower gnome. Hey, little sunflower gnome, little sunflower gnome. And then we have these air freshener things. I got to check this out. When I go to the store today, I'm going to see if I can figure out something that would fit into this little, there's a hole there. Something will go in there. Some air freshener will fit in there. Something. I'm going to go hunting. Okay. All right, guys. That's what I have today. And thank you again, Fansells. And thank you for coming and watching this video and hanging out with me for a while. I hope you return. If you're new here, think about subscribing and come see more things. Every day there's a video of something different every day. All right. Thanks, you guys. Time for me to clean up and go to the store. That was my door banging. It's windy outside. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.